steal his sippy cup. Riley, are you going to tackle Gabe? Get that sippy cup back, man. That one's not yours. The other one's yours. The green top is yours, Riley.
Here, Riley.
Gabe's like, but I have both.
Go, Riley, go!
Run, 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 run! Uh-oh.
Riley, come back.
Gabe, uh-oh.
Where's Riley? Kidding.
Uh-oh.
Get him, Riley, go!
We can't escape. We're in baby jail for stealing sippy cups. Don't worry, Mom will get us out. Tackle!